Hello, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your course onto Skillshare. So if you're looking for how to upload your course onto Skillshare, then this tutorial is for you. In addition, if you want to sign up for Skillshare, use my link down below in order to get 1 month free. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Now, in order to post your course onto Skillshare, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and log onto Skillshare, then click on this Teach button. Now click on Create a Class. Now when you scroll down, you're going to see this Upload Videos button. So this is how you upload your course on Skillshare. So it's very, very easy. And what you can do is that you can create your video lessons. And as you create your video lessons, you can save this as a draft and always revisit this page. You do want to make sure that you also include the class details of your course and also check out all the helpful resources that Skillshare offers when it comes to creating a successful Skillshare class. So with that being said, once all your videos have been uploaded onto here, you just want to click on this submit button, and then once you submit it, someone on the Skillshare team is actually going to review your class. And once they review your class, they'll either approve it or deny it. And if they approve it, your Skillshare class will be live. But if they deny it, what they're going to do is tell you why it's been denied, and then you're just going to have to re-edit it and then resubmit it for approval again. So in essence, this is how you upload your course onto Skillshare. And also, if you're looking to sign up for Skillshare, please use my link down below in the description in order to get your first month free with Skillshare. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, do let me know down below.